Namaskaram. We hope that all of you are doing well. In light of the COVID-19 outbreak and subsequent directives by the government, it is uncertain as to when we will be able to reopen the schools. Once the authority sanction reopening of schools, we will make necessary arrangements to have the students back with us at the earliest. The requisite health screening protocols are being put in place, and to the best we can look at students coming back in batches. We will keep you posted on these developments. As an interim measure, we have made necessary arrangements for students to continue school virtually from home, for which we seek your kind cooperation, understanding, and flexibility to make this process successful. Before we formally begin the sessions, we wanted to share our plan and approach to all our parents online. In this presentation, we will be covering three broad areas. First, the intent of the Pollux IntelliSchool Online. Second, the role of parents. And third, the expectation from students. Pollux IntelliSchool Online. Learning as you see it is not limited to an academic program, but it is more comprehensive in nature and includes every aspect of the student's life, including life skills, physical and health-related routines, non-academic pursuits, and leisure. We will endeavor to impart whatever we can do using virtual platforms, but we will require your support in collaboration for creating a suitable and conducive environment for your child. We will be using WebEx or Zoom app for our online teaching, which is tailored specifically for schools. All these applications are easily accessible on any device with an internet connection. We request you to make necessary arrangements at home. Steady internet connection and an access to a computer, laptop, or tab so that your child can make use of these platforms. We will now step in through a typical school day and discuss the proposed alternative in this new virtual scenario. When students are at school, the morning routine generally initiates with school assembly, which consists of prayer, thought of the day, news headlines, assembly activity, and national anthem. This is followed by guided meditation in their respective classrooms. Similarly, we wish the students to continue their meditation and maintain a minimum level of fitness while at home. We request you to practice yoga along with your child if you are a practitioner, or for you to provide a gentle and watchful eye to ensure that they do not skip their practice. With regards to fitness, the PE department will upload recommended fitness routines for each of the age groups. Every week routine for students may also include specialized music or dance classes. These classes will continue in an online mode and will be imparted through a combination of teacher-created content, resources from the internet, and our own repository. We request our dear parents to make sure that students pay the necessary attention to their food habits to ensure that they have a balanced diet and that they partake in dining-related activities from food preparation to serving and winding up. In a similar way, students are assigned community responsibilities which they are expected to carry out on a daily basis. Besides maintaining their own personal bed and cupboard, all students are assigned to house-related responsibilities, which are taken up in a rotational basis. This can include sweeping and mopping the room, ensuring the upkeep of the washroom, plant care, laundry, immunity drink preparation, planning and managing house-responsible events. Please see how to provide your child with more opportunity to contribute towards household responsibilities and engage with basic hospitality-related tasks. When it comes to the students' academic classes, teachers will be setting up classroom for each subject. As per the elective classes, these will be imparted through a combination of teacher-created content and resources from the internet and our repository. In a virtual learning environment, students will need to take responsibility for their work and engagement. Teachers will be regularly sending learning activities and assignments and collecting them as evidence of your child's work during this time. Please encourage students to stay organized and help them manage their time carefully so that they do not become overwhelmed. It is recommended that the student establish a regular, uninterrupted work time each day where they consciously make it a point to limit outside distractions, that is, social networking and streaming services. In post-dinner sessions, students can engage in activities like movie, stargazing or moon gazing, open mind nights, board game nights, and musical games. The parent should negotiate the reasonable time limit for the amount of screen and phone time your child is exposed to. Encourage your child to disengage at least for some time from his or her social media handles and or video games. See how to promote group activity for the whole family as much as possible. While we know that it is not possible to recreate the typical structure of our school day at home, we recommend that you come up with the schedule along with your child that best suits your requirements. The objective is to come up with the routine that aligns in a similar direction so that the transition back to school can be as seamless as possible. The parents are requested to go through the IT Acceptable Use Policy form and acknowledge the terms and conditions of our digital platform. It is important that all users of this platform are safe, responsible, and ethical in the transactions. The school will provide the students with specific links which will help them to join the classes through our parent app. What does the student need to do? Create a sustainable and reasonable routine, involve in various electives and commit the required time, use the materials and resources responsibly, meet the deadline set or agreed upon, balance his work in front of the computer and offline, ask questions or seek guidance on the platforms provided. Parent support and involvement. Provide infrastructure for the online classroom. Kindly ensure that there is a Wi-Fi connectivity so that the child does not face any difficulty while learning. Support the child in drawing up and sticking to plan up work or routines. Yoga and PE are as much as a part of the curriculum and students must be held accountable to commit to them. Support students in their project work by giving them leads and discussing ideas and facilitating meetings. Ensure online safety of the child by having appropriate surveillance and security systems. Parents must always use parents@intellischool.in for all the communications. Syllabus, tests, examinations. For board-going students of grade 9, we have incorporated different live classes, video sessions, assignments, mock tests in the academic plan. For other classes, we will focus on developing digital learning and evaluations will be done in non-conventional ways. Displayed on the screen are a list of co-curricular and extracurricular activities, which will begin for junior school, middle school, senior school, which will be intimated soon through our parent app. The timetable of online classes for respective grades will be shared through our parent app. How long before school reopens? That's a very difficult question to answer at this point. We are planning for the next few weeks as we await advice from the government on school reopening. School will notify parents as early as possible about reopening so that parents can make arrangements. Trust all of you are safe and healthy. Please follow the basic hygiene, hand washing, and social distancing. Please keep away elders over 70 who are in the house. Please eat and exercise regularly. This presentation was intended to provide an overview of what lies ahead. You may have additional questions. To serve our parent community, we request you to send your questions to parents@intellischool.in within the next day or two, so that we can consolidate the same and prepare an FAQ document that can be shared with the other parents. We thank you for your continuous support and cooperation. Please stay safe, healthy, and well.